Welcome to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever our new video comes out. A Visit is a short story by Anna Kavan narrated in the first-person point of view by an unnamed woman. The story is about connection, companionship, and loneliness. The story begins one night with the narrator being joined by a leopard. Later, the leopard continually joined the narrator every time to sleep and would keep an eye on her during the daytime from a distance. One rainy day, the leopard wanted the narrator to follow it, but the narrator was unable to. After that, the leopard never came to visit the narrator again. One day, the narrator saw the leopard with a strange man in a red cloak near the shore, but only for a short time. The narrator never told anyone else about the leopard and largely lived a secluded life. The leopard was never again seen by the woman. Instead of fearing the leopard's presence in her room, the narrator senses a connection which she contentedly keeps a secret. Having the leopard sleep in the same bed, a place usually reserved for intimate partners, and her off for its physical strength is suggestive of male companionship. The story offers glimpses of the natural world surrounding the narrator, perhaps implying her ease within this environment, save for the longing for the leopard or a man companion. While she's engrossed in the connection with the leopard, she disregards her yearning for human companionship. She perceives the leopard as her emotional connection, thus missing its potential symbol of longing for male companionship. The narrator blames herself for losing the leopard, and this sting possibly marks a moment of awakening or an epiphany, signifying her realization of the need for male companionship. While she's independent, the narrator's happiness remains elusive, hinting that finding contentment involves engaging actively with the world, rather than isolating herself. The leopard has brought joy to the narrator, and she might not be ready to continue her current life. The story's end implies the narrator persists in her old ways. She might not realize that beyond self-blame lies the power to reshape her life's course. Kavan may be highlighting the narrator's loneliness. The story lacks any mention of friends or companions, underscoring the emptiness left when the leopard departs. Her persistent hope to encounter the leopard again is notable, indicating a vague awareness of an unaddressed void. She twice tries to interact with the man in the red cloak, perceiving him as an alternate form of the leopard. It's noteworthy that she refrains from discussing the man in the red cloak or the leopard with locals due to a perceived lack of understanding, emphasizing her isolation and detachment from those around her. Moments of unusual warmth punctuate the tale, bearing emotional weight. The leopard's entry and the gradual heat surge prompt happiness and productivity, especially evident in her mural work. Though, a momentary dizziness induced by the heat unveils a dissonance within her emotions. Kavan employs the story's heat as a symbolic cue, implying fleeting contentment or a transitory sense of happiness in the narrator's life. Like most of Kavan's writing, that often blurs the lines between reality and dream, creating an otherworldly and surreal atmosphere through symbolism and disjointed and fragmented narratives. A Visit is a tale that too borders on a distorted perception of reality, exploring themes of paranoia and anxiety.